Hey everyone, my name is Kaching Song. I am the community manager on the Fusion 360 team. You can see behind me, we're at BattleBots 2021 World Championships. There's about 65 teams here in Las Vegas competing for that #1 title. And yeah, we want to give you guys an inside look at some of the teams, what they're like, what inspired them to design the robots that they've designed, and yeah, just an inside look. So come on in and let's check it out. I'd love to talk to you too. Okay, cool, that's awesome.
Yeah, but now what are we talking about?
What?
I said, now what are we talking
No,
about?
what are we talking about?
I designed industrial robotics for 30 years.
Hey, that's what we want to hear. Okay, so we're here with the Captain Shrederator, right?
Right.
So yeah, you're Brian.
I'm Brian.
Brian, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So tell us about your robot. What is up with the robot?
Well, Captain Shrederator is one of the original full-body spinners. Been around for 20 years.
Okay.
My first version was developed with CAD,
Yeah.
but it was cardboard-aided design at the time. We've since then switched to AutoCAD Inventor.
Oh, cool. Okay.
And this was all designed with Inventor.
Yeah.
So it's a full body spinner. This is the inside. Of course, all the cover plates are off.
Got it.
Four-wheel drive.
So
full-body
cool.
Spinner. 4 motors that spin it right here.
Nice.
All brushless.
That's
Designed that whole
awesome.
gearbox and gear tray in an Inventor.
Wow, that's awesome. That's
I know
great.
you'd rather me do Fusion 360, but
Hey, that's okay. That's okay. That's totally okay. You can actually, yeah, they go hand in hand.
Yeah.
So this totally makes sense.
I'm making the transition now.
That's
'cause
awesome.
I'm on Windows 10 and
Okay.
let me run my old Inventor.
Yeah. So the other question is, what got you into robotics?
Well, I designed industrial robotics for years and years.
Okay.
So I do robots for the railroad, heavy industry and stuff like that. Watching TV back in 2000, saw it, said,
Yeah.
I can do better than that, so I did.
That's so cool. How did the team get together? How did you guys meet?
We're a hodgepodge. You
Yeah.
know, a couple of them are my kids.
Okay.
I finally convinced them to come. My oldest boy came with me for a couple years. He drove the robot for a while. Yeah, we did a show in China called King of Bots.
Oh, okay.
He actually fell in love with China and lives there now.
Wow.
So he moved back here. I mean, he came back here to do this. My middle boy came this year, finally. I've been trying to convince him for years and years. He came, and let's see, one of the guys in town, the other Brian, we call him Other Brian, because I'm Brian, he's Other Brian.
Yeah.
I played pickleball with him, and we were just talking about it one day. You know what pickleball is?
Pickleball.
Yeah,
No, I
it's the
don't.
best sport ever. But anyway.
Describe it. What is pickleball?
It's like a miniature tennis with paddles.
Oh my God, I have seen it. I've seen it. Yeah.
It's like huge. It's growing. But anyway,
That's so
we're
cool.
playing pickleball, and we started talking about it. He got involved. He loves to turn wrenches. He's a mechanic kind of guy. And I was looking for some help actually doing some CAD.
Yeah.
And a friend of mine, Shaggy, who's on Mobius team, told me, hooked me up with Jonathan. So Jonathan helps do the CAD. And he lives in California, so that's like a long distance.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
And then Gino, we just picked up this year. He's like a super fan who contacted us and wanted to get involved.
Oh
We
wow.
hooked him up. So
I love how robotics connects everyone from all over the place. But I also want to ask, like, what was the biggest challenge this season with this competition for you guys? Like,
well,
what?
the biggest challenge for us is always electronics. The electronics haven't quite gotten up to the level of pounding that they take.
The box. But look at this, Captain Shrederator looks like a sitting duck here. Oh my goodness, Shrederator no longer spinning.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think we're fighting voltage spikes and stuff like that. We're losing dumb little things that are popping. Talked with the guys on Endgame, and they ran through the same problems, and they super hardened their electronics. So I guess next year we're gonna have to super harden our electronics.
Gotcha.
We're having a lot of electronics failures.
Has the teams been helping each other a lot? Is it like a friendly community?
Oh, absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah, we go out and drink and have fun and eat and talk,
Yeah.
and then we go in the box and beat our robots up.
That's so cool.
We leave it in the box for the most part.
Hey Brian, so good to
Hey,
talk to you, man.
nice talking to you
Yeah,
too.
likewise.
See ya.
Thank you.